Welcome to your path to financial freedom. Get out of debt, mastering debt management, personal finance, and budgeting. Are you tired of feeling weighted down by debt? Do you dream of living a life free from financial stress and uncertainty? If so, you have come to the right place. This course is your comprehensive guide to breaking free from the cycle of debt, mastering budgeting and saving techniques, and paving the way to a brighter financial future. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to find ourselves trapped in a cycle of borrowing and spending, struggling to make ends meet, and feeling overwhelmed by financial obligations. But it doesn't have to be this way. With the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, you can take control of your finances and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. In this course, you'll discover proven strategies to eliminate debt, learn how to tackle debt head on, and develop a plan to pay off your loans, credit cards, and other obligations quickly and efficiently. Master budgeting. Gain insight into effective budgeting techniques that will help you track your expenses, prioritize your spending, and take control of your financial future. Build savings. Explore practical tips for building an emergency fund, saving for the future, and achieving your long-term financial goals without sacrificing your lifestyle. Develop a wealth mindset. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, resilience, and empowerment that will enable you to overcome financial challenges and stay motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Take action. Armed with the knowledge and tools provided in this course, you will be ready to take decisive action to transform your financial situation and create the life you have always dreamed of. Whether you are struggling with overwhelming debt, looking to take your financial management skills to the next level, I'm here to help. So why wait? The time to take control of your finances and to start building the life you deserve is now. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the door to brighter debt-free future.